Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing around with the last palette, I think, from the Vault collection. I know this is long overdue, but I've literally done a video with each one, and this is the last one. This is the Dark Magic palettes. So I did a video where I swatched them. I haven't tried it on my eyes. So today we're going to be playing around with these beautiful colors. I know it's dark, so that's why I don't have any foundation on, because then I can still fix it afterwards if I mess up a bit. So yeah, let's get a bit, well, mildly creative, because I'm not very creative, but yeah, let's get going. Okay, so I just tied my hair, and now I am going to just put on some eyeshadow primer because these colors are a bit intense. I'm going to use the Milani eyeshadow primer, lightweight invisible finish. This is in the color nude. This is what it looks like. It's the first time I'm trying this one out, so yeah, just to have a little bit of a base on my eyes and cover up my veiny eyes. I don't think this does much covering though. I thought it was like a, you know, that's those type of ones that cover a bit. So I think, okay, so I have no freaking clue what I'm doing today, guys. I am a bit scared, but okay. I want to try something different, but yeah. Let me go in with this color called Potion. It's almost like a greenish color. Oh dear, heavens help me. Okay, so I'm just literally gonna shape out here with some green and a more exact brush, as you guys can see, like literally just packing the color more exact. Okay, so this color isn't really as green as I thought it was, but let's go into, so that was Potion. Let's go into this color Poof and just blend it out at the top to make it a bit softer and see what we come up with. Okay, this color doesn't really blend it nice. I'm just going to go in with a blending side and try and just soften this up a bit. Okay, that seems to be helping a little bit. It's getting a little bit muddy though. It's not like, you know, like a greenish color, which I'm a bit disappointed because I thought it was going to be like a army green vibe, you know? You know what I mean? I'm just going to take it out a bit here. Maybe just take a little bit more of the product and just go out here. Okay, so I know it looks messy, but I'm going to clean it up with a wet wipe just now. So I've decided to rather take it out to the side. To this side. It seems like I'm gonna need more brushes, but I am gonna clean up. So you guys know how messy it is in the beginning, but it'll come together just now. Just wanna blend it out. So this might take a while. Why is it that one side always flippin' comes out better than the other side? I know it looks a bit messy, but I wanted to play with color, so that is what we get. So now, let me just swatch this one. See, this is trickery, but if you swatch it, it almost goes like a grayish kind of color, you know? And then there's an inside job one, which is supposed to be also like a green. But, you know, so I mean, after blending this green color, you guys can see a little bit of green, but it's almost becoming a little bit muddy. So I think I'm rather going to go in with the blue, which is this one. It's called Busted. It's like a navy blue. You guys see? So I'm rather going to try that because I'm scared that the green's going to get lost anyway. So I'm going to take that blue and buff it a little bit lower, like right there in the crease. I quite like this blue color. It's almost like a dark turquoisey kind of. Let me just open my eye completely because I have bad hooded eyes. So I'm just gonna outline my crease. See, because now I kind of have the blue going into the green, and I just want to do the outside corner the same. We are gonna clean up. I know it looks rough. I know that's what you're thinking. You don't have to tell me. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that green again and just blend it in the top. Wow, I'm becoming like freaking, this is becoming like, okay. Okay, so this is where we are at. I know it's insane, but now I'm gonna go into that brown shade called Shh. And I'm just going to blend on the top here, just to soften it up a bit. I'm not going to do like a full cut crease, but I'm going to try. But now I don't know, should I use this Diversion or Power Cut? Let's swatch them. I think I'm going to do the lighter one because yeah, the other one might just get lost with a dark. And then that also that Trickery shade, which is the green metallic. Where is it now? That is very dark. So let's try and cut this crease. Heaven help me. Where is that? Wait, let's try this one. Okay, I'm just literally going to do the inner part of my eyelid. And then I'm going to dip my finger into Power Cut, which is that color that I showed you earlier. And I'm going to pack that on. It's almost like a silver color. Just want to get a better brush to try and pack that shade on a more exact. There we go. Because my finger's not doing it for me. Okay, so this is definitely like a gunmetal kind of gunmetal kind of silver. You guys can see. Can you guys see? Okay, so now I'm going to go in with that blue again, and I am just going to intensify the outer corner where it blends in. Okay, that's starting to look a bit better. I'm always a bit nervous because I'm jaging kakan all the time and I never know how it's gonna turn out. So I don't think that looks too bad. Let me just put some of that green color back here in the top, because I feel like I've lost the green now. It's become a little bit muddy. Okay, so I'm now just going to do the other eye, the other side. See how this, I look a bit skilled now, but this side is kind of opened up. So I'm just going to do the other eye and then I'll be good. Okay guys, so I think this is it for the top. I'm not going to mess with it because yeah, I'm a bit scared that I'm gonna fuck it up and then I'm literally screwed. And oh my god, look how this thing stains. This is a makeup wipe. Oh shit, I'm supposed to go out somewhere, so this can't be a cock makeup wipe, so oh my gosh. Okie dokie, so now I want to put some of Poof, which is that lightest shade, on my brow bone. I don't know if it's actually gonna make any difference. It is a matte shade, but let's just try and soften it up a bit here. Okay guys, whew, I can breathe now again. So now I'm just gonna put on my fudge and we can carry on. Okay guys, so digging back into the palette, I just put my foundation on, some blush and bronzer. I think, let me see, there's a lot of blue going on here, so I'm a bit scared, I must admit. Oh dear. Maybe I must take that Diversion color. Walk pow. And we see what happens here. Why am I always looking for bloody brushes? Okay, here's one. Okay, so I'm gonna go into that Diversion color and I'm gonna do my bottom lash line. I don't know if I should wet it, but let's first see. No, it's like a gunmetal kind of. Can you guys see? Wait, let me just try and open my eyes. Can you guys see? Okay, I think that is just what I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to darken the outer corners too much because I kind of like where this is at the moment. Okay, what do you guys think? I think it looks good. I think what I'm going to do is, though, where's another brush? I'm going through them like crazy here. Okay, so I'm going to spritz with my brush a bit and I'm going to go into that Power Cut Silver that I cut my crease with. I want to put some of that in the inside. Be popping. You can always take a little bit of highlighter. I'm just going to dig into my Catrice palette, fish palette, and just tap over that a bit. A bitty. Okie dokie, so that's looking okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and pop on some eyeliner. Oh, this scares the shit out of me. Oh. Let's try. This might take 5 hours, so bear with me. Wow, I am almost shocked that they kind of look okay. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna pop on some falsies for this. I think this one needs special cushion, and then I can finish up the rest of my face. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, I just popped on some lashes and I put on some eyeliner and just tight lined my eye, and that is where we are at. Now literally I'm just gonna dig into this little palette, put some natural. I don't know why I'm always singing everything, but okay. I quite like this palette. Since I tried out all the Catrice stuff, this is all that I've been wearing and I love it. And my nose, it's such a natural like highlight. And Timmy's loving it. Now I'm wondering with this, eye look. I think I should do a nude, but now I'm like, should I do something dark and like mysterious just to, fuck it, let's do it. Okay, so maybe a blue. Yeah, I think maybe the blue. I don't know. I think I've done previously in the past, I've done a green. So let's do a blue. Let's do a blue, gosh. So this is the NYX Suede Matte lip liner. As you guys can see, not used yet. This one's not overly pigmented. Can you guys see? Okay, there it goes now. You need to push quite hard. Oh dear, I'm a bit intimidated with these types of lips. Oh dear. I'm gonna hope for the best. Okay, this is a NYX Liquid Suede. So, ooh, look how pretty I look. I look like I'm getting cold. Oh, okay, this is very turquoisey. I should have probably swatched it before. The kakajag aan, hè? I think I kind of like it. It's just, I hate this bottle lips. I don't know why. It is a little bit fetchy, but I'm not hating it. I do look a little bit goth though. Don't you guys think? Okay, that is all that I'm doing today. This is what I hate. Hello guys, and you look like this. I don't know who would wear something with bottle lips like mine. Let's try and cut. A little bit longer. Damn it. But all for the sake of YouTube. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.